In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix yellow tint screen in Windows 11 and 10. As you can see here, my screen has a bit of a yellowish shade, which is different from the usual. This problem can occur due to multiple reasons, but the most common reason is because of the night light filter and changes in the color model for your display. Sometimes, restarting your computer can resolve display anomalies, but if it does not fix itself even after restarting the computer, you have to do something about this. Let's see the night light filter first. Go to the Windows search bar and search for night light. Now, click on Night Light Settings. In this menu, click on Turn Off Now. Here you can see that my display is changed into its original form. But what happens when the night light is already off, but the display stays in this yellowing form? This could happen because of the color profile of your device. To solve this, go to the Windows search bar again. This time, search for Color Management. Open the Color Management settings. In the pop-up menu, make sure that you have selected your monitor as the device. After selecting the device, click on Add. In the pop-up, select the sRGB IEC color profile and click on OK. Now, select the color profile you just added and click on Set as Default Profile. Here you can see that my display has returned to its original color state. If these two methods do not work, check your monitor, hardware, and cables. Make sure the monitor cable is securely connected and undamaged, such as HDMI, DisplayPort, etc. Test your monitor with another computer or try a different cable to rule out hardware faults. Following these steps, you can solve the yellow screen tint problem easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.